Hello friends, welcome to CS in Best Way. Today in this tutorial we will see what is GA. It means what is genetic algorithm. So its definition, basic of genetic algorithm and a simple example of genetic algorithm. So first of all will see definition. So genetic algorithm is a search method in which multiple search paths are followed in parallel. So it means that in this type of algorithm, we will follow multiple search paths at the same time. So at each step, current state of different pairs of these paths are combined to form a new path. This way, the search paths don't remain independent. It means that at each step, current state of different pairs of these paths are combined to form a new path. Suppose that we are here, we choose this path and we can form new path from it. So this way the search path don't remain independent. Instead, they share information and thus try to improve the overall performance of the complete search space. So the basic genetic algorithm. Here is the example, here is the basic genetic algorithm. So start with population of randomly generated attempt to solution to a problem. So you can think about it in the way. So suppose this is our population, total population. Okay, this is our total population, and there may be good people and bad people. So randomly generated attempted solution to a problem, it will generate randomly and then repeatedly do the following: evaluate each of the attempted solution. So we will check each of all the people that whether they are good or not, and after that we will divide a category for good people and also for bad people. So keep the best solution. Whenever we found a good person for in the total people space, we will keep in it good people. So produce next generation from this solution using inheritance and mutation, and after that we will produce next generation from this solution when we will found these good people. Suppose that here are some people who we selected from the whole people, and uh, we will set them or put them in a category of good people. So after that we will produce next generation from this solution. We will this is our solution, and we will produce next generation. Here we will make another category where we will produce next solution of using this solution. So here in this solution we will uh, we will again apply this algorithm, and whenever this quit, when you have a satisfactory solution, when we will put the best and good people here, and we will quit out of this algorithm. This is the basic. So let's see the example of this algorithm. A simple example: suppose your individuals are 32-bit computer words. So suppose we have 32-bit computer word. Okay, you know computer save words in the form of bit. So 0, 1, 2 up to 31. Okay, here are 32 bit computer words. You want a string in which all the bits are ones. If we want the string in which all the strings are 1, okay, all the strings are 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1 and up to 31. Okay, we just want these guys which are ones. Okay, here's how you can do it. create 100 randomly generated computer words. Suppose we created 100 randomly generated computer words that are 32-bit computer words. Okay, repeatedly do the following. Count the 1 bits in each word. We will count 1 bit in each word uh, which we created 100 randomly generated computer words. So exit if any of the word have all 32 bits set to 1. If all the 32 bits are 1, then we will exit out that word. So keep the 10 words that have the most first, discard the rest, and we will only suppose we will only select the 10 words uh, and we will discard all the rest word. So from each word generate 9 new words as follows. If from each word we will generate 9 new words, and then we will apply the algorithm again. So in this way, pick a random bit in the word and toggle change it, and we will pick the random bits and we will toggle mean that we will change the position from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. In this way we can toggle their uh, spaces. Okay, note that this procedure does not guarantee that the next generation will have more 1 bits, but it's likely. This is all about genetic algorithm basics. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share with friends. Thank you. See you in next video.